Hello everybody, welcome to another video. 2 days, it is before Christmas. 3 days maybe, either or. And today I'm going to be heading into traffic. Okay, I'm going to be heading into traffic. That's what I'm going to be doing. Today's adventure, we're going to be heading down to East Atlanta to Little 5 Points. It's the destination. Man, these things, this one triggered. I had one yesterday, and it kept letting the other side go. It never let me go. But we are heading to Little 5 Points today, located East Atlanta once again. Doing a little exploration, doing a little bit chilling out and stuff like that. Like I said, it's like 2 or 3 days before Christmas. It's a Monday, I think, so I'm not surprised at this traffic. Doesn't mean I gotta sit in it though. Doesn't mean I have to sit in it as well. But I hope everybody's doing good. Get to your destination safe. You feel me? It's like it's always late, people. Whether it be going to the airport, getting on the highway, they late for the drive or whatever. They start driving reckless. Don't be one of those guys. Today's temperature is about 52 or something like that. And with when you calculate the wind and everything into it, it's feeling about 35, to me, Well, honestly, man, it's not that bad. I don't know. I think I've gotten used to the cold. I'm not gonna lie. I think I've adapted a little bit, or I've gotten used to it. Because it doesn't, I'm layered up, but I'm not layered. I got like I'm double layered up right now, I think I got a good jacket on, but, in general, like, well, I'm probably saying that now. It's only fall, you feel me? It's only fall, so. But I mean, 50 degrees is 50 degrees, right? I mean, that's still cold, so. But I think I've adapted a little bit. It doesn't feel as bad. Obviously, if I was, had nothing but a t-shirt on, you feel me? Then we would have a problem, Oh yeah, don't mind this mirror to the right, all right? I didn't notice that until I got on the road this evening or this afternoon. Then my mirror is hanging on by a thread. Literally. One of the bolts was missing. So I'm gonna have to fix that when I get back, all right? It's gonna be a lot of looking over my right shoulder today. It's gonna be a lot of that action. I changed these spark plugs in the R3. And come to think about it, I don't think I've changed them since I got them. And let me tell you, oh my goodness. I'm not saying there's a increase in power, but there's a difference. It's not a big difference, but there's definitely a difference between, obviously, new plugs and worn out plugs. And let me tell you, those plugs were worn out. Those plugs were definitely worn out, and the difference is so, like, the power is there. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, I think my junk was definitely misfiring. Now that I put the new plugs in there, it was definitely misfiring a little bit. But ever since I put the new plugs in there, it's like the power is there, It's not lagging or anything. This guy got some type of smoke coming out. So I had to take that mirror off. I didn't want to do it. I ain't trust it. You feel me? I had to take this mirror out because I ain't have the tools on me to get the job done. So it's fine. It's fine. You feel me? It's not like I can't look over to my right. But yeah, I ain't trust that. Yeah, man, I love taking corners, dude. This one isn't deep, but I like twisties. I can tell, man. Once I find some really good twisties, man, that's gonna be a blast. That's one. I think I'm that type of rider. I like the twisties, man. I really do. And taking them at a good speed, you know, because these bikes are meant to lean over right at those crazy angles at speed. So, you know, they're designed for it, and so that's what I be testing a lot of the times. And I love it, bro. I love it. Woo! I sometimes want to reach out my hand and kind of glide it along the vehicle to the left of me. When I be taking turns like that, I felt the rock. But I do not know how people wear like the half helmets, the one that just covers the top of your skull. Because dude, if you ride on the highway, bro, you know how much stuff comes into contact with my face, with my guard, you know, my visor. Dude, all types of bugs and pebbles be hitting my visor, bro. That can't be a good time unless they're just riding on in residential areas. Ain't no way they riding like that on the highway all the time. No way. All kinds of bugs and bees and stuff like that be ending up on my windshield at the end of the day. Ain't no way. I'm trying to get the pop. I love this little bike, man. I love this little bike, man. But this area in general there's a lot of artistic work. I love that. I love that aspect of this community or this area. It's a lot of artists down there, man. Seems like this is where a lot of artists come to express themselves. Well, not even just in the form of like art as in drawings and paintings, but like all types of building, architecture, and restaurants, and you know, in different ways. Clothing and etc. You know, all types of ways people express themselves artistically that I like to see. Somebody's sleeping at the wheel. He's trying to catch up and make up for it. But we are here though. This is it. Man, I don't mean no disrespect when I do that to drivers behind me or whatnot, but no, I gotta hit his engine. That's all that is. I just love the sound of his engine right here. But this is it. I just need to find a place to park actually, which is this spot right here. All the art and everything is up there on that end over there, over yonder. It's definitely unique, I'll tell you that. And as you can see, we got a whole lineup of miscellaneous shops along the, I don't know what you call it, along the road there. And so my main objective really is just finding a lot of the, I almost tripped there, is finding a lot of the good art that's hidden back here. And that's just a random, that's camouflage. You know, my objective is just really finding a lot of the good art back here. And so, as you can see, I'm gonna start to see, I'm gonna capture a lot of this art here. never, ever be afraid to make noise and get in good trouble. Necessary trouble. Great quote. True quote. I could have parked back here as well. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wait, the sun is glaring it a little bit. But look at this. Okay, the sun. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. The level of detail in this is best. The camera doesn't capture it pretty good. But oh my goodness. You got to see that one in person. That's like the best piece I've seen so far. But all kinds of, we got all kinds of different depictions of different cultures is what it seems like throughout all of this. It's all pretty cool stuff, man. What is this? I found the Riddler shop, man. This is the Riddler shop. Why would I? No cameras, no cell phone, no video. See, that makes it even more suspicious. Look at this. Bro, I'm not even going here, bro. No cameras, no cell phones, no videos. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was a tour, a little tour, the surface tour of little 5 Points, Atlanta, Georgia, East Atlanta. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and until next time, I'll see y'all soon. And look at that, bam, bam. We're gonna do a I need washing though. I do need to wash it though, but I see y'all later.